This is Artisanette with Cooking Couture, Atlanta. Hey, honey, listen, y'all know it's Thanksgiving now, and I'm not playing with y'all. I want you guys to make some of the best Thanksgiving meals you ever made, and I want you to come up with your own signature dish, something that everybody asks you to bring every time there's anything, because it's so dope. All right, check it out. We're gonna make some collard greens. All right, I'm using my InstaPot pressure cooker to make these collard greens. You can use any pressure cooker or any crock pot or any regular pot. It's just gonna take longer. Listen, if you got it, everybody should have a pressure cooker. My counter is clean. That's why I'm picking up. I need all of these collard greens. Now, I got the upgraded version. I got a lot of different collard green videos. So, you need to check them all out. But this is the latest. This is my newest thing. Honey, why did I put some Brussel sprouts in these collard greens? And this is how it's going down this Thanksgiving. This is my upgraded collard greens. These VIP collard greens, they have Brussels sprouts in them as well. Anytime you have produce in a bag that's vented with the mesh bag, that means that you can rinse them off in the bag. So I'm cutting the Brussels sprouts. I'm cutting the ends off of them, the little hard ends where they come off the stalk. I don't know if y'all knew that, but Brussels sprouts come on the stalk. I'm gonna show you how to make some on the stalk too. It's so impressive. It looks so cute. I'm cutting these Brussels sprouts up and putting them in with my collard greens. Ooh, I love the mixture. It gave it a cabbagey kind of flavor. So, my grandmother used to mix mustards and turnips. Well, I feel like that's what I'm doing by mixing the Brussels sprouts and the collards. Okay, so I use, instead of water, I use chicken broth. Now you can put chicken broth in a little water, but I think it gives it some flavor. So I use in my InstaPot a whole container of chicken broth. Now I use the one, I don't use the light sodium one because I would normally use the one that said light sodium, but because I do not put any sodium, any extra salt, thought I had everything I needed in front of me. I use a pack of Lipton soup. Sometimes I use golden onions. Sometimes I use the mushroom one. But I use a whole pack of this. See, if I was right-handed, it wouldn't be a crossover action going. And then I put this in everything. That's my jam. I'm telling you that Rotel is what's happening. Okay, oh yeah, I'm gonna put this Rotel on. And I don't drain it. I always just use the, and I like to get, this is the original, but I like to do the fire roasted one because it gives it a little spice. It gives me a little, yeah, it gives me a little spice. So I like a little red pepper, cayenne red pepper, or crushed red pepper flakes in my collard greens. But I'm not doing this because my daughter and my goddaughter, they do not like the spice. So this is Sunday and I'm making my greens for Thursday because the greens taste so much better after they just set around for a minute. I'll put them in the refrigerator. I can freeze them, but by Thursday, they gonna be fire. Very important public service announcement. Full disclosure. All right, so there's a shortage on smoked turkey, y'all. I got people out looking for it. These was in my freezer. So you need to go on and get out and get your smoked turkey. I got somebody at the farmer's market right now looking for me. All right, I put a generous amount of garlic powder. And that's because I like garlic powder on everything. I'm gonna try to work it with my right hand. And then, this is where I get my sodium and a lot of flavor. It's a chicken bouillon. They have a lot of different chicken base. Chicken base, chicken bouillon, this chicken seasoning. I'm telling you, secret recipe. That's what's making it fire. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up the rest of these Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna put this pressure cooker on 30 minutes and then take it out, and then in 30 minutes I'm gonna taste it and see if I need anything else. The only thing that I think I might be adding to this is some more smoked turkey. And so if I add some more smoked turkey to it, I might just let it stay on warm for a couple hours. And then on Thursday, heat it back up, put it back on warm, put it on low that morning. And whenever we eat dinner, I usually do a late dinner, like 4 o'clock. But whenever we eat dinner, there'll be fire. And the turkey will be falling off the bones. So I like my, in 30 minutes, in the pressure cooker, I find that my greens are real fresh. They remind me of Piccadilly or restaurant. I like them a day or two old, having been cooked on warm for a couple days, basically cooked low, and then they just the way I want them. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in here. I'm just gonna cut the rest of these up, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all in 30 minutes. All my seasonings in here. Put my top down. You know, I love my InstaPot, honey. It's the bomb. And these greens and Brussels sprouts is gonna be fire. Yes. I'm gonna put a little more garlic. A little more garlic on here. And then in 30 minutes, I'm gonna taste it if I need something. When I say that these greens, these VIP collard greens with Brussels sprouts came out amazing, I'm being sincere now. Listen to what I say. You need to try it. Okay, Jackie, I'm sorry. You couldn't wait no more. This is your second, but tell me, say it. I just need you to say it again.
When I say I have not had any greens.
What? Say it again, because I don't know. What is this AEAF lock?
Autofocus.
Oh,
when I say I have not had any greens this good in years. Oh my God, Audrey.
And I did not pay her to say that.
Oh,
She was just coming back for seconds.
Oh,
I just gave her a little bit and told her to tell me what she think. Hey. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.